second? Where's the second prize? Then we get a little bit wet. Still working. Didn't stop. Still working. Okay. Where are they?
They're right next to me.
Were they? Oh, I see what you mean now. A strange exit. I mean entrance.
I want that ball.
Oh, missed it.
Okay. I'll film you.
But the thing is, you may drop it because there's no cord attached to it. Do you think? Don't be clumsy. Okay, so it is on. Hold it with both hands, don't lose it in the ocean. I was holding it like around the top like that.
Okay.
That might be the wave. But if a wave comes, you may drop it.
Okay. Go.
Hold it tight.
Okay, catch the wave. There's another one, younger head, right here coming up. No, it's no good. No, maybe, no good. No. Hell to pay. Okay. All right.